Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be a truly remarkable addition to the mirrorless camera landscape. With advancements that promise to enhance both photography and videography, it's more than just another model refresh. This upcoming camera is a bold step forward, offering serious upgrades that could revolutionize how hybrid shooters work. Whether you're capturing stunning stills or shooting professional quality videos, the EOS R6 Mark III is designed to meet the demands of modern creators. Let's dive into its expected features, potential impacts, and what makes this release so exciting. Design and display, a game changer for creators. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III introduces a hybrid flip-tilt LCD screen that is set to significantly improve usability. This might seem like a simple tweak, but it holds enormous practical value, especially for content creators. Vloggers and solo filmmakers will appreciate the full flip-out design, which allows them to easily monitor themselves while shooting. For still photographers, the tilt mechanism provides flexibility when shooting from challenging or low angles, opening up new creative possibilities. Moreover, this screen is expected to feature OLED technology. This is a major upgrade over traditional LCDs. With OLED, expect richer blacks, better contrast, and superior visibility in bright lighting conditions. OLED is also more energy efficient, providing better performance even in extreme temperatures, which is crucial for those working outdoors in tough conditions. Hardware and performance, unleashing speed and efficiency, the EOS R6 Mark III is powered by a new 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, paired with Canon's impressive Digic X processor. Borrowing tech from the EOS R3, this stacked sensor allows for a faster readout, significantly improving both autofocus responsiveness and reducing rolling shutter issues, a common challenge for videographers. This system enables the camera to shoot up to 30 frames per second using its electronic shutter, perfect for fast-moving subjects or high-action photography. Thanks to the powerful Digic X processor, the EOS R6 Mark III can handle vast amounts of data at lightning speed. The camera will also support rapid buffer clearing, ensuring smoother transitions between stills and video capture. It's designed for hybrid creators who need both fast-paced performance and stunning image quality, making it an ideal choice for dynamic workflows. Autofocus, smart tracking for every shot. Autofocus is another area where the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to shine. Rumored to feature Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, this camera is expected to bring even smarter subject detection and tracking. With the aid of AI-driven algorithms, the autofocus system will be able to detect and follow faces, animals, and even vehicles with precision, even when partially obscured or moving erratically. In low-light environments, the autofocus system will shine as well, capable of focusing in conditions as dim as 6.5 EV. This is a game changer for photographers, who often shoot in challenging lighting conditions, such as weddings, concerts, or nightscapes. The camera's autofocus technology ensures that you never miss a shot, even in the darkest corners. Image stabilization. Smooth, shake-free shots. The stabilization system in the EOS R6 Mark III is another major highlight. It's expected to feature an in-body image stabilization system with an 8.5 stop rating. When combined with Canon's RF lenses and digital stabilization, it will deliver incredibly smooth, shake-free footage. This is especially useful for videographers working without gimbals or photographers shooting at slower shutter speeds in low light. The enhanced stabilization ensures that your shots stay steady, even in the most challenging situations. Video capabilities. A cinematic powerhouse for video creators, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III promises to be a powerhouse. It is expected to offer 6K cinema raw light recording at 30 frames per second. This provides filmmakers with more flexibility in post-production, particularly for color grading. The camera will also support 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, opening up endless possibilities for slow-motion footage. Canon is also introducing new professional codecs like XFAVC and XFHEVC, which will give video editors more options when it comes to processing footage. A full-sized HDMI port is a welcome addition, replacing the fragile micro HDMI connector seen in previous models, making this camera even more reliable on set. Additionally, the improved internal cooling system adapted from the EOS R5 Mark II, will ensure that the camera stays cool during extended recording sessions. Ergonomics and workflow. Designed for professionals, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is built with ergonomics in mind. It features a slightly deeper hand grip, making it more comfortable to hold, even during long shooting sessions. The addition of customizable buttons allows users to personalize the camera's controls, tailoring the interface to suit individual workflows. Dual card slots offer flexibility for both speed and redundancy, a must for professionals who can't afford to lose a shot. To keep up with the demands of long shoots, the EOS R6 Mark III is equipped with an upgraded LP6P battery, which offers a 15% increase in capacity over its predecessor. This means more shooting time without constantly worrying about battery life, a crucial consideration for videographers on location. Price and market position. The EOS R6 Mark III's competitive edge in terms of pricing. Canon is expected to position the EOS R6 Mark III competitively within the mid to high end of the full-frame mirrorless market. Rumored to be priced around $499, it offers a compelling value proposition considering its high-end features. Canon's strategic pricing could help it compete against rivals like Sony's A74, Nikon's Z6 III, and Panasonic's S5 II, making it an attractive choice for hybrid shooters who demand both power and versatility. The EOS R6 Mark III will likely serve as a bridge between entry-level full-frame models and the more specialized higher-end EOS R5 and flagship R1 series. By offering pro-level features at a more accessible price point, Canon ensures that it can cater to a wider audience, making it harder for competitors to lure away potential buyers looking to upgrade from entry-level systems. Conclusion: a bold step for hybrid creators. With its impressive combination of advanced features, from the hybrid flip-tilt OLED screen to groundbreaking autofocus and stabilization systems, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is poised to make a significant impact on the hybrid camera market. Designed with both photographers and videographers in mind, it promises to be a versatile tool for modern creators.